Hook, have you ever wondered if those online-only banks are actually safe? Today, we're diving deep into Relay Bank. Is it a reliable place to park your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Context: the rise of digital banking has given us more convenience and flexibility. But with so many options out there, it's natural to be skeptical. Is Relay Bank one of those shiny new toys that might break under pressure? Or is it a solid choice for your financial needs? Understanding Relay Bank. What is Relay Bank? Relay Bank is a digital-only bank that offers a range of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, and loans. It's known for its user-friendly interface and competitive rates. How does it work? Unlike traditional banks, Relay Bank doesn't have physical branches. All transactions are conducted online or through the mobile app. This means you can bank from anywhere, anytime. Is it regulated? Yes, Relay Bank is regulated by the appropriate financial authorities in your jurisdiction. This means it's subject to the same rules and regulations as traditional banks. Key features of Relay Bank. High-interest savings accounts. One of the biggest draws of Relay Bank is its competitive interest rates on savings accounts. This can help your money grow faster. Fee-free checking accounts. Unlike many traditional banks, Relay Bank doesn't charge monthly maintenance fees for its checking accounts. This can save you money over time. Convenient online and mobile banking. Relay Bank's digital-only approach makes it easy to manage your finances from anywhere. Customer support. While Relay Bank doesn't have physical branches, it offers customer support through phone, email, and live chat. Is Relay Bank safe? Security measures. Relay Bank employs advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. This includes encryption, fraud monitoring, and multi-factor authentication. FDIC insurance. In the United States, Relay Bank is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000. Customer reviews. One of the best ways to gauge the safety and reliability of a bank is to read customer reviews. Look for feedback on the bank's security, customer service, and overall satisfaction. Comparing Relay Bank to traditional banks. Pros of Relay Bank: lower fees, higher interest rates, convenience, and a modern user experience. Cons of Relay Bank: lack of physical branches, potential for technical issues, and limited in-person customer support. Should you choose Relay Bank? The decision of whether or not to choose Relay Bank ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient, fee-free, and high-interest banking option, Relay Bank could be a great choice. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a traditional bank or have concerns about potential technical issues, you may want to consider other options. Conclusion: is Relay Bank legit? Based on our research, it appears to be a safe and reliable online bank. It offers competitive rates, convenient features, and strong security measures. However, it's important to do your own due diligence and consider your specific needs before making a decision. Call to action. Have you had any experience with Relay Bank? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're considering opening an account, be sure to check out their website for more information and to see if they offer the features you're looking for. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.